Welcome back to the channel. This is Tega. If this is your first time visiting this channel, thank you so much for coming. If you're one of my subscribers or you visit this channel from time to time, thank you so much for all your support and for coming again. In this video today, I'll be showing you how to downsize a dress. So let's get started. I bought this dress and it was absolutely big. See? Round the sleeve area, the armhole, the bust line, everything was just too big. So I decided I was gonna downsize this. So all you need to downsize a dress, whatever it is to use your body's measurement all over again. So you need to get your body's measurement handy, or if you already know it, that's fine. So you wanna fold the dress once as if you're gonna be cutting afresh. The way you draft a pattern or you cut straight on the fabric, make sure everything is matching, shoulder to shoulder, neck to neck, and the sleeve area as well. Make sure everything is in line. Take your time to do that. And you want to grab a pen or your tailor's chalk and you start adding your measurements. So I'm going to start off with the shoulder. So the shoulder measurement is 16 inches. When divided by 2, I would have 8 inches. So I'm going to mark the 8 inches and add half an inch sewing allowance. So I'm going to have 8.5 inches in total. You need to leave room for your seam allowance. So you want to add that. Then you want to draft a line down from there for your armhole. So I'm going to be marking 9 inches. I need a bit of room for the armhole. So I'm going to be coming down by 9 inches. Don't forget your bust is important. The horizontal measurement of your bust. Once you've completed the armhole, the bust line is the next in line. So you want to measure from your shoulder to bust points as well. Make sure you measure from your shoulder to bust points before you add your horizontal bust line measurement. Right. Whatever your bust circumference is, divided by 4. Make the marking, then you want to add your seam allowance as well. I'm going to add 1 inch over there. So I need that seam allowance. I want you to see how much fabric I need to cut out there. So I'm going to draft the hairline dress all over again. You want to grab your ruler and rule your hairline. Your dress might not be an hairline dress, so you want to consider marking your waistline and your hip line, then drawing out the shape. This is an hairline dress, so I don't need that. So I've constructed my armhole over there, as you can see. Then I'm going to connect it to my bust line, then the hair shape. So you want to grab your scissors once you made your marking and cut. Make sure your fabric is stable as well, because any mistake you make would affect the overall outlook of your garment. So that's the sleeve cut off now. So what you need to do is to cut the hairline shape. You want to cut the shape of the dress. If it's not an hairline, like I said, you want to cut out the shape of the dress you're making. So this is what you should have after cutting. The sleeve is separate from the bodies. You want to match the armhole on your bodies now to the armhole on your sleeve, because now you have a different measurement. Before you can match that properly, you need to stitch the sides first before you take your final armhole measurement and cut the sleeve accordingly. So stitch down on the side whatever seam allowance you've taken, half an inch, 1 inch. Just go along and stitch down on both sides. And once that is done, make sure you wear the dress to see if the fitting is right before you sew your sleeve. This is very important. Make sure you wear your dress. Make sure the armhole is right alongside with the bust. Then you can go ahead and cut out the sleeve to match the body's armhole. Once the armhole on the sleeve and the bodies are sorted, you want to go ahead and pin them together, then stitch them down. Here is one of the sleeve. I've just stitched one of the sides, so I'll go ahead and stitch down the other sleeve. And once that is done, basically the dress is ready. This is the size I want. It looks better than before. And make sure your rough edges are overlocked. Go ahead, use your overlocker. Make sure the rough edges are neat. And that's my dress all ready for me to wear with confidence. Here is my before and after. Take a good look at the armhole and the bust circumference area. What a difference. What a difference. So I hope this video will help you downsize your dress. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Till then, look after yourself and bye for now.